You can do anything you want. But just don't, hey, don't be too proud to work for a living. There's nothing wrong with it.
What'd you say?
There's nothing wrong with working for a living.
Working for a living?
Yeah.
What do you call this motherfucker? Is that working for a living? Was it working for a living when I carried my best friend's legs under this arm? And the rest of them under this arm? I saw a fucking baby with his fucking head cut off. I saw a pile of feet in the middle of the street. You're denied to clean it up. That's not work. I gave my fucking life for this country. And what's it done for me, huh? What's it fucking done for me?